Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some 3D zombie nails. Feel free to follow along with me and make your own set. I'm starting out with prepping my nails. I decided to try my first set of duck nails, lol. If you don't have the flared tips, all you have to do is flip a square nail tip upside down. I recently started using acetone instead of nail glue to glue on the tips. It's a great hack. I'm gonna go ahead and buff them all before applying the builder gel. Buffing and shaping one last time before I start the design. Let's start on the first nail. I looked through the different colors of sculpting gel trying to get an idea on what to do on the nails, and I thought this pink was the perfect brain color. Haha. I know organs aren't the cutest thing, but you can't tell me this brain isn't cute. After that, I picked a dark red and diluted it with base gel. Turns it in a jelly polish, and it's perfect for SFX nail design. First nail done. For the second nail, I decided to go with an eyeball. I'm gonna go ahead and use some white sculpting gel for the main part of the eye. Now using the same light pink from before, I laid out some strips and rolled them around the eyeball. Second nail done. For the third nail, I wanted to try making a bone. I watched a few different videos on TikTok for inspiration. I started with using the pink to make a little cave shape. Then mixed some white and ivory to make the bone color. Third nail is done. For the fourth nail, I thought it would be cool to make an axe charm to go along with it. Fourth nail is done. The final nail was going to be a scar, but I didn't like how it looked. I ended up turning into a stitched-up eye. Last nail is all done. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.